What's up, traders? You are welcome to my screen, and thank you for joining me. I'm looking at EURUSD right here for my last price action analysis on EURUSD. Why price action was somewhere around here. I predicted price action to come to 1.14500 right here, this on, and that was on this support level right here. And I also say that, I also say that in my last video, that what is keeping me in this trade right here, because right here I also analyze price action to break out from this trend line right here, this counter trend line, to keep price pushing to this support level, that is 1.14500. But unfortunately, price was unable to get there. I entered here, and this trend line was holding my trade for me, was holding the trade. And I said to myself, if price should break out from this trend line right here, I will exit my position right here. That happened, and I exit the position. Now, when that happened right here, I was still hoping, I was still expecting price action to come right here. If indeed price action wants to go to the upside, at least it has to come here. When it comes to trading, anything can happen. You might be expecting something to happen, the other one will happen. So what you don't expect sometimes might happen, and what you expect might not happen. So it just vice versa. So now when that happened, price break out of this trend line right here, and I exited my position right here. So price attempt this trend line right here, it was just romancing this trend line right here. So now if I look at the touches of this trend line, we have the first touch point right here, we have the second touch point, we have the third touch point. Upon the fourth one, we have a breakout candle. It entered back again. It was just romancing this trend line right here. And with what I'm seeing right here, it looks like the EURUSD might push to the upside. We might see EURUSD pushing to the upside. So if I come to the daily time frame, let's see properly how the daily time frame is doing. So now, right here on the daily time frame right here, we have the first touch point, we have the second touch point, and even on the daily time frame right here, the market close above this trend line right here. We have a doji candle that has break and close above this trend line right here. So hopefully this week we might see EURUSD elevating to the upside, pushing to the upside. We might see EURUSD pushing to the upside. And also, if I look at the market structure right here, we have the lower low, we have the lower high, we have lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Price action is supposed to break this last low right here, this previous low, give us a new lower low before pushing to the upside, but that did not happen. So if I look at this market like this, I can see that EURUSD has formed a divergence double bottom right here. It has formed a divergence double bottom right here. So we might see EURUSD pushing to the upside. So I was even calling price action to come to this support level right here. If indeed price action wants to go to the upside, at least it should come right here. But unfortunately, that did not happen. We have a lower low, we have a lower high, we have a lower low. This lower low should break this low right here, this previous low right here, give us a new lower low before pulling back. But unfortunately, price was unable to fulfill that, and it formed a divergence double bottom right here. So we might see EURUSD breaking out from this trend line properly this week to push to the upside. If I zoom in properly right here now, this is on the euro right here, and as you can see, EURUSD structure is pointing to the upside. So EURUSD structure is pointing to the upside right here. So let me adjust the screen. So right here, if I bring out the trend line again to see properly right here, it might be that EURUSD, we have the first touch point, we have the second touch point right here. This is on the EURUSD. We have the first touch point, we have the second touch point. Breakout of here, EURUSD should come attempt this resistance level again. So now going back to the 4-hour time frame to see clearly. Going back to the 4-hour time frame to see clearly right here. Now right here on the 4-hour time frame, if I take out this trend line right here, okay, okay. If I adjust it properly right here, good. Right here, good. Now, okay, if I take out this one out, I take out this as well, just to ensure everything is clear. Good. So we have the first touch point, we have the second touch point right here. So this is looking like Euro USD is might not come down anymore. So this trend line right here, Euro USD should break out from it this week properly. Let me make it fine. Okay, good. Right here now. So right here now we have this trend line right here. This is so this week we might see Euro USD pushing to the upside right here. This is looking like Euro USD is tired of pushing to the downside, and is about to come to this resistance level right here. Euro USD to the upside this week. Hopefully price action to continue to buy to the upside this week. From here like this to that again. So that is that on Euro USD. Euro USD, we have the first touch, we have the second touch, we have the third price breakout of it, and it's pointing to the upside. So that is that on Euro USD. Let's look at the next pair on my list, which is the GBP USD. Now even on GBP USD 2, and GBP USD 2 right here is as you can see the flow of this trend of this market structure is pointing to the downside. We have the first touch point, we have the second touch point. Price was supposed to attempt this third touch point again, this trend line for the third attempt before pushing to the upside. And also if you look at the left hand side, we can see that this support level right here, this is support level. Price break out of it, price break out of it, it break out, we test previous level of support, turns resistance right here. Previous level of support come back to retest it, turn resistance, and we are supposed to continue pushing to the downside. I also have a counter trend line right here that was drawn against the trend. Price break out of it, we have a 4-hour candle close below this trend line, and we are supposed to continue pushing to the downside. But unfortunately, price was unable to fulfill that, and it turned around and is pointing to the upside. Even this trend line has been taken out. We have I take that again. We have the first touch point, we have the second touch point. Upon the third touch point, price has break out of the trend line. It did not only break out alone, it break out and will test the trend line right here, and also price action is pointing to the upside. Price is pointing to the upside. So hopefully this week we should see GBP USD going taking more of buy position to the upside. Now now right here if now right here now even on the daily time frame is looking like GBP USD is going to buy to the upside right here. Right here, the trend is bullish. GBP USD trend is bullish. We have the first touch point, we have the second touch point. As you can see, price is currently pushing to the upside. But now, as it is now, with what I'm seeing right here now, is look like GBP USD is about to rally to the upside. It's about to rally to the upside. We are supposed to continue going down, but on the daily time frame, it looks like GBP USD might continue buying to the upside. GBP USD will hold you right here on this trend line right here to buy to the upside. So right here, We have the first third, we have the second, we have the third, we have the fourth. Price has breakout, daily time frame, price has breakout. So on the daily time frame, we should see price action buying to the upside. Right. So coming to test this resistance level again. So GBPUSD to the upside. With what I'm seeing on the chart right here, my bias is changing from the sell side back to the buy side opportunity. So trend line has been taken out. GBPUSD should we should see GBPUSD price buying to the upside this week. EURUSD, I was my bias was to sell, but due to the price action, how the structure has changed. So my bias has changed from the downside to the upside, both on GBPUSD and both on EURUSD and GBPUSD. My bias is has changed to the upside. So so that is that on GBPUSD and EURUSD analysis. So if you found this video interesting, smash that subscribe button right there and drop a comment and about what you think about the analysis. So thank you as you do so. So see you in the next one. Bye for now.